we are going to find the nature of the roots of this given quadratic equation. If they are going to have real roots, then we are going to find them using the quadratic formula. First we are going to check the nature. For that we are going to find the value of the determinant, b squared minus 4ac. You can see that your b value is minus 3, so we are going to have minus 3 squared minus 4 into your a value is 2, your c value is 5. Now minus 3 squared is 9, minus 4 2s are 8, 8 5s are 40. So the answer is minus 31. Minus 31 is less than 0. Now you can see that your discriminant value is less than 0. Therefore, it does not have real roots. We are going to find the discriminant value b squared minus 4ac. Substituting the values, we will get b value is minus 4 root 3 the whole square minus 4 into your a value is 3, c value is 4. That is, you will get minus into minus will become plus. 4 squared is 16, root 3 squared is 3. So 16 into 3 is 48. 4 4s are 16 into 3 is 48. The value becomes 0. We have b squared minus 4ac equal to 0. That implies we have real and equal roots. Now we are going to find the roots using the quadratic formula. We have the quadratic formula x is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b squared minus 4ac by 2a. So that is, substituting the values we get minus of minus 4 root 3 plus or minus root of minus 4 root 3 the whole square minus 4 into 3 into 4 divided by 2 into a value, that is 3. So we are going to have minus into minus will become plus. So we will have 4 root 3 plus or minus. This is what we solved in the discriminant. So this part is going to become 0. So square root of 0 is 0. So we will have divided by 6. Then the values of x are going to be x is equal to 4 root 3 plus 0 by 6. The other x value is going to be 4 root 3 minus 0 by 6. Now when you cancel, 2 2s are 4, 3 2s are 6, 2 2s are 4, 3 2s are 6. So the answers are going to be 2 root 3 by 3, 2 root 3 by 3. Find the discriminant value first, b squared minus 4ac. Substituting the values, we will have b value is minus 6, so minus 6 the whole square minus 4 into your a value, that is 2, into your c value, that is 3. So we are going to have minus 6 squared is 36 minus 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24. So it is going to be 36 minus 24, that is 12. Now you can see that b squared minus 4ac is greater than 0. So we are going to have real and distinct roots. Now we are going to find the roots using the quadratic formula. X is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b squared minus 4ac by 2a. Substituting the values, we will get minus of minus 6 plus or minus root of minus 6 the whole square minus 4 into your a value is 2 and your c value is 3 divided by 2 into a, that is 2 into 2. So we are going to have 6 plus or minus root of, you already have the value for the discriminant part, that is 12. So it is going to be 12 divided by 4. So the values of x are going to be, x is equal to 6 plus or minus, when you solve this you will get 4 into 3, that is 2 root 3 by 4. When you take 2 commonly outside, you are going to have 2 into 3 plus root 3 divided by 4. When you cancel 1 2 is 2, 2 2s are 4. So we are having plus or minus symbol in between. So the roots are going to be 3 plus root 3 by 2, and the other one is going to be 3 minus root 3 divided by 2.